How to change language in DeepSeek app. Let's get started. First, launch your DeepSeek app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the two bars given at the top left. Then click on your profile icon given at the very bottom. Now over here you'll find the option of app language. In order to change the language for the DeepSeek app, you'll need to change language in your device first. So what you have to do is close this, launch your settings app, navigate to the option general, click on the option language and reason. At the very top, you're going to find this section of preferred language. Click on add language. From the list of the languages, select any of it. I'm going to select Chinese. After you select it, it's going to take a while, and with that, the language for the app will be changed. Now I can navigate to the app, the language will be changed. So this is how you can easily change language on DeepSeek app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.